Hello, I'm Michael Wilson, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Haiku Dropbox feature. I'm going to show you this both from the teacher's perspective and from the student's perspective as well, so you can see how the entire process works. Start by opening up Google Drive. Google Drive is the best way to get into Haiku. Once you sign into your Google Drive, you'll find Haiku listed on the More menu. Simply select Haiku Learning. When Haiku loads, simply select the class you want to add the assignment to. I'm going to select my Earth Science class. When the class loads up, you'll have a few options along the top here. You want to click on Assess and add an assignment. In the Assignments tab, click the Add Assignment button and give your assignment a name. You can type any instructions for your assignment in this larger area. As you scroll down, you'll find some other options. For example, you can set the due date for your assignment here. And you want to make sure that you show this assignment in your Dropbox. If you have a document that you want to attach to this assignment, you can do so here as well. For example, if you had already created a list of instructions on how this assignment was supposed to be completed, you can create that in Google Docs and then attach your Google document here. Click the OK button. Here you see the cheesy assignment has been added to my Dropbox. At this point, the assignment has been created, but if we want, we can add this assignment to our web page as well. Simply click on Pages, and here I'm going to add a page specifically for this assignment. Give the page a name, and click Save. Here a new page has been created. I will use this page to list all of the assignments for my class. All I have to do is click Add Content Block, and then select the Connect and Assess tab, and specify that I want to add an assignment. Here you give the block a title. I'm going to name this Cheesy Assignments. And I'm going to click Search Existing. Because I've already created the assignment in the Dropbox, all I need to do now is link that assignment to this content block. Search Existing. Here it pulls a list of all the assignments that I have created. I'm going to check the one that I want to add and select Next. In this area, I can type additional instructions if I wanted to. And click Save. Here you can see the text that I just typed in the content block form. Please complete this assignment for homework tonight. In gray, you see the description of the assignment itself. These are the assignment instructions that I typed in when I created the actual assignment. Don't forget, when you create a new page, you have to publish the page by clicking on this little antenna before students will be able to see it. I'm going to select to publish this now. The site is now, or the page is now active and students can see it. If I want to see if any of my students have submitted the assignment, I simply click on View in Dropbox. Up here I have a list of my periods. I have period 1 and I have section B. Section B is a special class of students that I've created just for this demonstration. And I've added another teacher to my site as a student so that I can see what their side looks like. So I'm going to have the teacher log in as a student so that we can see what it looks like. Here they are in their Google Drive. Just like you did, they're going to select on More and then down to Haiku Learning. When their Haiku homepage appears, they're going to go to My Classes and select on your class. In my case, it was Earth Science. Here they see the Earth Science homepage, and at the bottom is my list of assignments. When they click on that, they'll see my page with the assignment on it. If my student is ready to hand in this assignment, they simply click the Hand In button. And here they have an option to attach a Google Doc. So if my student has written her essay and is ready to submit, all they have to do is click on their essay and select to submit it as read-only, and then click Done. If they're ready to hand it in, they can hand it in here. If there's more documents they need to attach for this assignment, they can attach more here as well. This student is finished, so they're going to click the Hand In button. Here, a check mark has appeared indicating that we have successfully handed in this assignment. Now let's look back at the teacher's side and see what it looks like from their perspective. I can access the assignment from two different ways. I can click on List of Assignments, which is where I put the assignment in the first place, and I notice my View in Dropbox button is here. But I can also click on the Connect tab and select the Dropbox tab, and here is my assignment as well. Either one of those will get me to the same place. If I click on my assignment, I can see that my student has handed in the assignment and I have not yet replied. So what I want to do is click on the student's name to view their assignment. Here's the assignment. I click on it and it will open it for me. Now I cannot change what the student has written here, but I can make comments. So if I click a text tool and click here, I can make comments. I can also draw on the essay as well. When you use this drawing tab, make sure that you click on complete when you are finished drawing with the tool. That locks it in. You can also highlight things. So there's a number of annotation tools that you have at your disposal. This mimics the same functionality as if a student had submitted an assignment on paper. You can't go through and change their text. It's already been printed on the page, but you can, with a pen and highlighter, make comments. So it's the same functionality. When you're all finished, click the Hand Back to Student button. Here is the original student's assignment, and then here are my comments. When you're finished, hit the Close button. And now let's see what it looks like from the student's perspective. When they open up their page, let me just take this back to the home page here. Next time they visit your page, they'll be able to see the comments that you've made. They do it the same way you do, by clicking on the Connect tab and then into Dropbox. Here is the assignment, and they can see that they have one reply. All they need to do is click on the assignment to see those replies. And here it shows that I have submitted a new reply that they have not yet looked at. If I click on my name, it will show the replies that I've made, and I can click on the reply itself to open it. It will download in a file, and I just open the downloaded file. Here you can see all of the comments that I've made. When I'm finished, I close it. Here the student is free to go back into their Google Docs, edit the file, making the changes that you've recommended, and then resubmit the file again for grading one more time if that is how you desire to do it. When you're finished, just click the Close button. The last thing I'd like to mention is about deleting assignments. So let's go back to the teacher's side, back to the Dropbox, and view that assignment one more time. Here you can see the assignment is here. As long as I don't delete the assignment, I will be able to go in and review all of my student submissions. But if for some reason I want to delete the assignment, it will take all of the student submissions out as well and all of the comments that I've made. So you'll only want to delete an assignment if you're absolutely sure that you don't need it anymore. Click on the Assess tab and Assignments, and you'll see your assignment right here. There's a Delete button right here. If you click on that, it will say, do you want to delete the assignment? Click OK. And it's going to warn you. It says, deleting the assignment will permanently remove the 2 associated messages and all of their attachments from the Dropbox. It will also delete the student work. So only do this if you're absolutely sure you want to. Check both of the boxes and then click Delete the assignment. And this will remove the assignment. The student will also see on their side, here if we look at the student's view and refresh the page, they will see that the assignment has been removed from their side as well. And that's it. That's a quick tutorial on how to use the Dropbox in Haiku. Have fun!